He was talking about how I don't attend to messages on time. Is this how I attend to messages late? And I want people to follow me and I want subscribers. Oh my god, you're not paying for my time. I am doing this out of a passion. I am doing this out of passion to see people being financially liberated, not like I'm being paid for it. And yes, I'm not complaining, but then do not come to my inbox, do not come to my DMs and feel entitled to my time. Yes, I only do this when I have the time. I have other things I'm engaged with. Hello beautiful people, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Fumike with a new video today. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Fumike. I create content on business ideas, business stories and lifestyle. I film from the state of Lagos in Nigeria. If any of this content I create interests you, kindly consider subscribing. Just hit the subscribe button down there to join the team today. We'll be glad to have you on board. Thank you so much. Okay guys, so today I really want to talk about something bothering me, something that has been bothering me for a very long time, guys. I just want to talk about the life of a content creator. Most people actually think, okay, let me just say this, one of my regrets, let me say one of my regrets on YouTube is putting my number on YouTube, giving my number on this channel. You guys know I talk about business, dropshipping, and how to start dropshipping. And since I'm an importer, and I also have some importers we all can work with, there was a time I gave out contact of tested and trusted importers we all can work with in starting our YouTube channel, and my number was part of the numbers I gave out. See guys, if there's anything I regret so on YouTube, it is actually putting out my number there. So most times I get DMs, I get messages, but then guys, I have a life outside of this. Something bad about we Nigerians is what we like being spoon-fed. Yes, like everything we need, anything this is we need. We love people bringing it to us like, oh, take this and this. We don't like going to the market. We don't like making research on our own. Yes, I have talked about dropshipping several times on this channel. Like many times I've talked about dropshipping. I have explained what dropshipping means, and some people will still come and meet you and chat me up that they want me to start taking them from the scratch on dropshipping. These are actually things I've talked about at the point or the other, and when I refer them, okay, I've made a video, I've done a video on this topic, I've explained it extensively. Please go and check this out. They do not want to go and check it out. They want me to now start teaching them from scratch. See, time is actually money. Outside being a content creator, I am a student. Yeah, my academics is there. I work for an organization. I run two businesses. I have a life outside everything. I have a career, and you all want me to always attend to you. Last week I got a very annoying message. In fact, when I got that message, I didn't want to attend. I didn't say anything. That it was, I think, the second or third day when I was scammed. That was when I went back to that message and I replied to the message with the wisdom of God. It wasn't it at all. Yes, we as content creators, we have life outside of all this. This is the only thing I want to do today. Yes, just talk about this and let's talk about how I feel about it. Yes, we Nigerians, we don't like putting in effort. Yeah, you see somebody doing this. I have two guys who actually watch my videos and they learned what dropshipping is from my channel. They even got the content I shared on dropshipping, they got it on my channel, and that is what they are using in making money. They organize classes on dropshipping, they organize classes and give people contact of importers they can work with. It got everything on my channel, and now it's monetizing it. Those are the people I love, that they pick things so fast. They go to the market, they go to Google, add more, like make more research and add to it and monetize it. Those are the people I am always proud of. Yes, I'm very, very proud of them. Not the people who want me to sit and spoon-fed them, like everything from the start. I've done a lot of videos on dropshipping already. What exactly do you want me to do? What's the message I got? I actually got two messages. I got one yesterday. I got one like sometimes last week. It was talking about how I don't attend to messages on time. Is this how I attend to messages late? And I want people to follow me and I want subscribers. Oh my god, you're not paying for my time. I am doing this out of a passion. I am doing this out of passion to see people being financially liberated, not like I'm being paid for it. And yes, I'm not complaining, but then do not come to my inbox, do not come to my DMs and feel entitled to my time. Yes, I only do this when I have the time. I have other things I'm engaged with. Daily basis I get a lot of messages, mostly from customers who want to get something from me, and a large chunk of those messages also comes from subscribers who got my number on YouTube, or from, I don't know, from anywhere. wanting me to go back, like taking them on drop shipping from the scratch, and you're not even talking about, oh, do you charge, what is your charges to take me? Do you want me to do that, like give that free time? Whatever it is I know, I'm not one who all knowledge. Whatever it is I know and I know it can benefit you, benefit your life, I will share it on my channel. Yes, I will share it on my channel. I'm not one word knowledge. Anything I know that can benefit you, that can push you forward, that can make you financially independent, that I know of, I'm somebody who will share it. So yes, I don't even need anybody's money, and that's why I don't charge. I was on a live interview a few days ago, and they were asking me, oh, you're a dropshipping expert, how much do you charge to teach me? I said, no, I don't charge anything, because it is my passion seeing people doing great for themselves, doing great for their business. It's something that gives me joy, and that is enough for me. Yes, but then do not feel entitled to my time. Do not feel entitled when I do not. Yeah, it is once you send me a message and you feel like maybe a day or 2 days after, just send me a reminder. You don't need to construct hurtful words. Guys, I was really down. I was really discouraged last week, but thank God I'm over it. I replied the message afterwards, about 2 days after, when I knew that yes, I was calm and I wouldn't see anything that would later regret. I replied the message, and I just feel, please let us cut content creator some slack. I'm not even an influencer yet. I'm just starting, and I'm getting this kind of message. I wonder what the big influencers who are doing great for themselves, who are top influencers, I wonder how they are coping. I don't even have a PA yet, and I do all these things myself. I just have to prioritize what to give my time to. Yes, I can't be everywhere at every time. I have to prioritize, like this is what I'm giving attention to at this particular time of the day. I have other things I'm engaged with. So please guys, please cut us some slack. Do not be too hard on us. We have other things we do with our time. So guys, please be kind with your words. The Bible says, let our speech be seasoned with salt. Be kind with your words. Yes, please encourage us. Do not discourage us with those hurtful words. I was really down last weekend I saw that mess, and I know that yes, it won't stop coming. Yes, it won't stop coming. There was a time I got a message. Somebody wanted me to do a contact in China. Yeah, and she was just being rude about it. I said, yeah, I was not going to share that with her. Yes, you want me to give you one of the secrets to my business, to how I get my stuff from China, and you're being rude about it. I said, no, I won't give you, and I'm not even apologetic about it. Yes, please let our speech be seasoned with salt. Yes, there are actually some people I met them on YouTube, and they have become families to me. They are part of me already, and there's nothing they can ask me that I cannot do. I can go to any length for them because of what? Because of the relationship we've built over the time. So please let our speech be seasoned with salt. Let us be kind with our words. Influencers, either small or big influencers, they have life outside all of this. We all have life outside of content creation. Yes, so please let us be kind with our words. If you send a message and you feel like, oh, did he or she haven't replied, please send a reminder. It's not too big, it's not that hard. Send a reminder. And if you feel they don't want to attend to you, fine, you move on. When somebody does not want to attend to you, there are millions of people out there who will give you those information free of charge. You don't need to be rude about it. You don't need to be insensitive about it. So guys, that is just all I want to say. that is all I want to say today. Thank you so much for watching. So I create content on business ideas, like how people can start business with or without capital, side hustle ideas. Please check those videos out. I'll link the video right up here. Please check them out. You'll find them helpful. If you're a student, if you're a stay-at-home mom, or whatever category you fall into, dropshipping is actually something you can do. It is the art of buying and selling without having to stock up or having to invest capital. I'll put the link to that video up here. Please check them out, and please like, comment, and share. Just give me tips. I've mentioned things I do. Please, if you have any helpful tips that can help me in staying organized, in staying true, and also staying true to my passion of the passion of creating content, please share with me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share. Also subscribe if you're able. Thank you so much. I love you all. You all know you have a special place here. This left side of my heart. You guys know you all have a special place there. Thank you so much. I love you.